Reconsideration request. I'm sharing one experience of reconsideration request. We applied for TRV from outside Canada for Rina. She lost her permit and passport and everything in India, and then we applied for her TRV. So because she already had a permit, so if someone has a permit, in that case TRVs are usually not refused. So on 6th of September she shared all of her documents. On 8th we arranged everything, got remaining documents, everything was done. So on 8th of September we submitted this visa application. So everything was done. So this was the application. So application was submitted on 8th of September, and usually the visa acceptance rate is like almost 99.9%. So almost everyone gets visa, TRV visa approval if the permit is already there. So then it is not a problem. Then it is not a normal visitor visa application. If the permit is not there, then it becomes a visitor visa application and it can be refused as well. So then we submitted the application on 8th, and after the submission of application, then she got the refusal on 23rd of September. So within 15 days she got the refusal, and of course she was quite upset as well. Then we submitted the reconsideration request for her, and it was web form was submitted. So many people last time when I made a video, someone commented that he doesn't know how to submit reconsideration request. There is no official method of submission of it. That's why he's not sharing. I'm not sharing because I don't want to share how I submit reconsideration request. It's kind of something for me. I don't want to share it. I don't want to share how to submit a visa application, how to write SOP. Few things are proprietary to me. And yes, of course, it is not an official process to submit reconsideration request, but we still proceed and do it because we know that even if it is there is a chance, 1% 2% chance of getting the visa in reconsideration request, still why not to do it? So we went ahead and we did it, and ultimately so 24th, and we were getting ready for reapplication as well, and Reena was asking for all the documents, that give me all the documents, you must have made any mistake or something. So that was going on, and later on after 2-3 days, after a few days, on 10th of 6th of this month, so finally she got the approval. So after submission of reconsideration request, around within 2 weeks she got the approval of her application, and she was considering other options as well, of course, but finally she got the approval through reconsideration. Thank you sir, reconsideration ka approval aa gaya. So she got the approval. So there was no mistake done from our side. That is one. And second thing was she got the approval through reconsideration as well. So it shows everything that we do the right process. That is one thing. And second thing, it is possible to get visa through reconsideration as well. And there is no harm in submission of reconsideration request because ultimately you are not losing anything. You are asking the visa officer to reopen the previous application, and we were getting ready to resubmit the application as well. We were not saying that we are not going to submit reapplication and we will wait unlimited amount of time for reconsideration. We just wait for reconsideration request approval for 1 week. If we don't get anything in within 1 week, then we go ahead and submit reapplication as well. And sometimes we have seen that even after 1 month, 2 months, reconsideration request is considered, and a person get visa for the previous application, and it gets reopened, and the second application which we reapplied, it is automatically withdrawn by the visa officer. It is also done, but we don't stop reapplication for a long time. After 1 week we just get ready to reapply, but we submit reconsideration request for almost everyone because there is no harm in taking the chance, because ultimately we are not losing anything in the appeal. Even if visa officer considers it, great. Even if visa officer doesn't consider it, still good to go. There is no problem in that. And you already got a refusal, and still it is a refusal, and it is not adding any other refusal to your application. So there is no harm in submission of reconsideration request. You should always do it. I made a different video for that as well, how you can submit a reconsideration request. Let me check if I can reopen it. Yeah, so this is, you can search for IRCC web form, and you can select I am the primary applicant. You can fill all the details, and yes, boom, you can submit it. I also actually shared in one of the videos how you can submit it. I do it in add a document to your application. So you can add something and you can submit it with your application as well, that this is my justification for your refusal. So you can add to the justification as well. So continue to the form, and after that select I am the primary applicant, submit all this information, you must be having it. Here you can write something in few words, then you can attach 2 files as well, PDF or Word files. And you can attach 2 documents here. File size, total file size cannot be more than 3.5 MB, and one file size cannot be more than 2 MB. So you can add your justification, and you can attach a new document as well. And here you can submit your reconsideration request. That's how I do it. So in that particular video, when I initially made it how to submit a reconsideration request, I did not share it how to submit this reconsideration request, and someone poked me saying that he doesn't know how to submit it, that's why he did not share it. So I do it this way, and I shared it in one more video as well, and this is and now we got the approval, and that's why I'm sharing it again, because I shared it earlier as well. So yes, reconsideration requests are also getting the approvals, and this is one more example where the candidate applicant got visa through reconsideration request. So there is no harm in submission of reconsideration request. You can always go ahead and submit it, and if you need my help, I can also do it. But usually we do it for our own candidates, because it is difficult to charge someone or decide the charges for just for submission of reconsideration request. Many people say that you should not charge the complete amount of your visa application because you did not file the visa. But for me, it is, if I am getting the visa for you, then I should be getting the money for that visa. Ideally, which I should charge whatever I charge for the application initially, if I take care of the complete application. So it is difficult to decide about the charges in those scenarios, but yes, but in some scenarios I do help people for reconsideration request as well, and of course for reapplication I can always do it. But reconsideration request usually should be submitted by the applicant himself or by the previous consultant. If consultant doesn't know, okay, in some cases I have done it for others as well. Even if I did not submit the visa application, I have done it for them as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. I just wanted to clear that yes, it works. It worked for me as well. It is my personal experience. It is not like I do it just kuch hawa mein. It is not something in air. I did it for myself, for my own visa application. When it got refused, I got my visa through reconsideration request, Canada study visa for PhD, and they refused PhD study visa it was in 2019. Then I got to know, okay, I can appeal for it as well. I fought for it, and I got my visa. And then I got to know this can be an option to get visa, and we have made this practice for long time. For last 5 years we have been submitting reconsideration requests for all the refusals, and yes, visa acceptance rate after in reconsideration is usually 1%, 2% only. But still we submit it for everyone, because we don't know who is going to be the lucky one to get visa through reconsideration. So we'll keep doing it. We are still doing it, and you should also do it if you get refusal. There is no harm in trying. What are you losing in the process? Many people come to me, don't submit reconsideration request. It is going to add another refusal. No, it is not another refusal. You just have only one refusal. It is your application, and you are just asking to reopen the file. That's it. So that's it. That is what I wanted to share in this video. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. See you in next video, next live. Thank you.